Hello, what's up there? This is Ratic and today I'm going to tell you some keyboard shortcuts. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start this video. So guys, first I'm going to open this document. Now first shortcut is CTRL+E. With CTRL+A, you can select whole document. So next shortcut is second one is CTRL+C. With CTRL+C, you can copy selected area. So now second shortcut is CTRL+V. With CTRL+V, you can paste copied document like this. So next one is CTRL+X. With CTRL+X, you can cut selected area. So next one is CTRL+Z. With CTRL+Z, you can bring cutted document. So next one is CTRL+Y. It is opposite to CTRL+Z. You can easily do like this, CTRL+Y. So next one is F1. With F1, you can open help tab. The last shortcut is window key. With window key, you can open start. Make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon, and don't forget to visit my website www.techratic.com. And do you want to get more information about tech, then don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So guys, bye bye, see you soon, bye bye.